This is your 31st posthumous birthday. If I hadn't failed you, your friends would have gathered around you. Probably your husband. While you cut your birthday cake. But today, you're no more. Because I was ignorant of your plight. I failed you. Until the end of time, I will not forgive myself. Rest in peace, my angel. Happy birthday, my soulmate. Rest in peace, my angel. Happy birthday.
What is wrong with you? You've not been yourself of late.
Honestly, Melissa, I don't know how to talk about this. But I'm beginning to feel like a stranger around my mom.
I don't understand that.
That's it. If I were in your shoes, I would not understand too.
Can we talk about it? Like, say something. I seem to be in the dark on this.
That's the problem. Melissa, I don't even know where to start. Melissa, a lot of things are going on with my mom that I can't explain. And you see, I've not told you this before, right? But my mom is the reason I have no boyfriend.
No, don't go there. You told me yourself that you wanted to marry as a virgin. So why this now?
Melissa, that was my cover story. Just
Are you being serious?
I don't even know where to. I don't know. I'm just confused right now.
Wait. Your mom. Well, why would she be?
Lisa, please, okay, please. I'm so confused right now. No. Wait, Melissa. Today is 15th June, right?
Sure, it's 15th. Let me see. Yeah.
Melissa. Shouldn't be here.
What is wrong with you? Sandra!
Melissa, I'll talk to you later, please.
Boyfriend. Mom. What does this have to do with today being 15th? She hasn't said anything yet. I'm so confused.
Wait! Oh, madam.
Mom! 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 Mom, I can hear you crying. Please open the door. Mom!
Go away! Go away! I rather die than to open that door! Oh!
Please, I beg in the name of God. I beg in the name of God. Show me love. Show me love.
Leave!
Mom. Mom.
I don't like him. You are not married to him. I am. I don't want to stay in this house with him. Now listen to me and listen attentively, young lady. I need not to remind you that this is my house and I decide who stays and who goes. Nedum is my husband, your stepfather. And the earlier you realize that, the better for you. I hope you understand me. What nonsense! Rubbish.
If only I can bring back the hands of clock. Unfortunately, it is too late now. I will continue to live with the torment all the days of my life. Okay. Go sit here. Good day, Mom.
Good day, my sweetheart. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry about yesterday. I shouldn't have yelled at you.
It's fine, Mom. So can we talk about it now?
No. Whatever that happened yesterday died with yesterday.
Mom, it's not about yesterday. It's about what has been happening.
There is nothing to talk about.
Why, Mom?
Because there is nothing to talk about.
Okay. Okay.
Come in. Come in.
Mom, I would like to go see Melissa.
Melissa. But you visited her yesterday.
Yes, I did, but I cut the visit short because I remembered my sister's birthday was yesterday, so I had to rush down here. And I've taken into cognizance that you always hurt yourself on that day. Only God knows why.
Okay. You can go and see her. But try and come back on time.
Okay, Mom.
Sandra.
Yes, Mom.
I want you to have it at the back of your mind that I love you.
I know, Mom. And I love you too.
Okay, I'll have to stop here. Yes, you'll be going, right?
Alright.
Okay. I'm going to leave it up there. Take care.
Alright, take care of you.
How is Melissa?
She's fine, Mom.
You said she's fine because you visited her yesterday. What if she is not fine today?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? You didn't visit her today. So, how could you know if she is fine or not?
I'm sorry, Mom.
Do not lie to me next time.
Okay, Mom. Just that I
have no interest in whom you want to see. All I said is, do not lie to your mother next time.
Okay, Mom.
Eat.
Mom, how did she got to know that I didn't go to Lisa's place? How did she find out? Is it that she follows me everywhere? Yes, hello babe. Babe, who is this? Yes, I want to speak to Steve. Steve is what? How? Jesus Christ. Steve was killed? How? Lord. Jesus Christ. Steve. This can't be happening. No, this is not possible.
A mother may not see a huge tree standing before her, but she sees through her children's mind.
Can we talk?
I'm listening.
Yesterday, I lied to you I was visiting Melissa. How did you know I didn't visit her?
Is that a question or an interrogation?
Mom, the young man I had lunch dates with was murdered in cold blood. Shortly after I left. Mom, please tell me you do not have a hand in it. Please, I'm confused.
I have no problem with the fact that you see me as a wicked mother. But to accuse me of murder, that's way out of it.
No, wait, you don't understand. Let me explain to you. Mom! How did he die then? Who could have done it? What's going on?
Yes? Come in. Yes.
Mom, I'm going to...
Do not forget that we agreed 1 week.
Sure, Mom. I won't forget that, okay?
It's okay.
Mom, why are you so attached to this diary?
Go now.
Okay.
Bye.
Hi, good day.
Yeah, where are you heading to?
Please, I'm going to Familiar Estate.
Okay, 2,000 naira.
2,000. Let me give you 1,500, please.
No, it's fine. I have to go inside.
Alright, it's okay.
We're here.
Yes.
No, don't worry. I'm actually delighted to give you a lift.
I don't understand. Does your taxi run on water?
No, the taxi actually belongs to me.
Oh.
Yeah, I gave it to someone to run for me, but the person was reckless. So I had to collect it back.
I see.
Yeah, I'm actually coming from the mechanic before I saw an angel. Yeah.
Please stop that. I'm not comfortable with people flattering me.
No, I'm not flattering you. You understand? I'm saying it the way it is. You are very beautiful.
Stop that.
Yeah. Anyway, my name is Frank.
And I'm Sandra.
Beautiful Sandra. Yeah. Oh, okay. I would love to have your number so that we can get to see some of them. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
All right. I'll give you a call.
Okay, take care.
All right. Thank you very much.
Why did you give him my number?
Melissa, I have a feeling that my mom blocked my phone. My mom has been monitoring my movements. So in case if he calls, please give me the phone. Let me talk to him.
Do you like him?
I don't even know. But I'm scared, Melissa. I don't want what happened to the others that came around me happen to him.
How do you mean?
I have a feeling that my mom killed Steve and John.
Sandra! Have you lost it?
I'm serious.
Listen, like you explained, she doesn't want you to have a boyfriend. But that's not going to make her kill anybody.
Melissa, I'm confused. I don't even know what I'm thinking anymore.
Wait, did she tell you why she doesn't want you to have a boyfriend?
Yes, she said it's not yet time. Now tell me, when is it time for a 22-year-old girl like me to have a boyfriend?
I'm confused. I really don't know what to think.
Well, you see, I know what to do, Melissa. I'm going to break my SIM and change my phone. Let me see how she will monitor my movements again. That's what I'm going to do. Because she keep riding my life like a horse. That's what I'm going to do.
Sweetie, it's not like I do not trust you. But I do not want you to make the same mistake I made. That is why I must protect you with my last blood. Okay? Alright, baby. Pack up the books and come down for your dinner.
Yeah,
Hello. Hi, Frank. Okay. How are you doing? Oh, wow. That would be nice. Seriously? Okay, let's see. Okay, that would be in the morning. But hey, you're coming to pick me. You too. Bye.
Hey! Hey! It is obvious you have fallen head over heels for this guy.
Oh, I don't know yet.
You have never known anything in your entire life. Give me my phone because let me go.
What is this? What is your... Hey! Melissa, are you jealous?
say this one a slap for person. The slap enter well. Hi. This one a person hand or iron. Hi. Oh boy. Ah. Okay, we see slap.
Hello? Okay. Do I need to blow a trumpet before you open the gate?
Who are you and what are you doing inside my car?
I am a woman of few words. My name is Bella. Sandra you are waiting for is my daughter. If you want to leave, stay away from her. Or what happened to others that refused to listen will happen to you. Here are contacts. This is the director of the security services in the state. This is the interior minister, Honorable Haji Yahu. This is the number of the Inspector General of Police. I have all the meaning Nigerians number here. So I want to let you know that I can kill you and nothing will happen. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
Is that your mother's car?
Yes, that's me. Wow. Frank.
I don't want you down.
Frank. Jesus. Wait. Frank, please. Wait, hold on. What's happening? What did she tell you? What did she tell you, Frank? What did she tell you? Frank. What happened? You didn't go again. Oh my God, why are you crying?
Lisa, my mom has gotten to Frank. She threatened him.
Your mom?
Yes.
No. Well, how did she find out?
Honestly, I don't know. But I can't take this anymore.
Calm down. What do you intend to do now?
stop this rubbish is what I'm going to do. Melissa, I'm going to the house.
Are you sure about this? Sandra.
Why are you on this?
Listen, Mom. I've had enough of this nonsense, okay? I'm old enough to decide how I want to live my life. Mom, please stop riding my life like a horse! Please!
What gave you the guts to speak to me in that manner?
Mom, I'm not sure you understand how serious I am in stopping you in this overbearing attitude.
You dare not talk to me in that manner. I am your mother.
You slapped me.
And I will do it again if you speak to me that way.
Okay, it's fine. So tell me, now that you've slapped me, how do you feel? How does it make you feel? Because you blamed yourself over the death of my sister. But you never disclosed how she died. You never did. You never disclosed how she died, Mom. And I'm beginning to feel this was the same thing you were doing to her that led her to her death. Enough! Mom, we have passed that stage because I'm not scared of you anymore. I'm not scared of you anymore. You can do whatever you want to do to me. Huh? But all I know is that I'm leaving this house and I'm never coming back. You have made me a prisoner and a stranger in this house. I'm done. You've been a horrible mom to me. Yes, and I'm done. If you do not allow me to leave right now, I am going to commit suicide. Or maybe you can do it yourself. You can kill me. Because my spirit is no longer in this house anymore.
I agree with you that I have been a terrible mother. I've had a reflection on my attitude towards you lately, Ed.
Please, 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 Mom, please. I'm not interested in your sermon. All I want you to do right now is open the door so I can leave this hell of a house. Because I'm tired.
I will open the door, Sandra. But I need you to listen to this, please. I need you to hear what I am about to say. Please come and say it.
I understand.
Sure.
are not my biological daughter. And you remind me of her so much.
Jesus Christ.
What did you say?
I adopted you after I lost my own biological daughter.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth! Mom, you said what? You adopted me?
Yes, you are not my biological daughter. I was scared. What happened to her might also happen to you.
I had Nenye, my biological daughter, out of wedlock because my boyfriend, who got me pregnant, abandoned me. I raised her alone and she became my world, my everything.
Ouch! My baby is reading her books.
Nice. Sweetheart, you haven't shown me your passport for a while now.
I was so overprotective of her.
Okay, I'll get it. See, it's 2 days now.
Sweetie, it's not like I do not trust you. But I do not want you to make the same mistake I made. That is why I must protect you with my last blood. Okay? Alright, baby. Pack up the books and come down for your dinner. I'm waiting. You what?
Okay, I was... Yes! I went to check if Godi has finished eating so that I could clear his plates.
Chinenye.
Okay. He was teaching me how to draw. Yes, draw.
Nenye, you are growing rapidly. And womanhood is fully showing on you. You have to be 100% careful about men. You have to be. I'm not saying I do not trust my little girl, but when it comes to men, I can't be too sure. I have to protect you.
I understand, Mommy. And I promise I will be very careful.
You remember our ambition, right?
Yes, Mommy. To be a doctor. You're a doctor.
Alright, my love. Now, I shall tell you why I called you. Mommy is getting a husband.
What I thought would be a good news didn't go down well with her.
Baby, why the mood swing?
While I have the right to marry whomever I choose to, I still decided to carry my daughter along because her happiness is my top priority. But she was uncomfortable with my decision.
Are you not comfortable with the decision?
Mommy, I don't want to leave this house. I don't even want to leave my room.
No, my baby. We are not leaving this house. He's actually going to live here with us.
Seriously?
Isn't that better?
Mommy, Must we have a new person in this house?
My baby, you won't understand. You are too young to understand this. I have been alone with you in this house since your father abandoned me while I was pregnant with you. I have dedicated my whole life to you. You are my life. I love you so much. Now, Mommy needs to take a decision. All I need is your support, my baby. That's all. Please.
Mommy, to be honest, I'm not comfortable with this decision. He's going to come in between us.
No, my child. That will not happen. If that is the issue, then you don't have any problems. I will always be here with you. I will always be here to love you, to provide for you whatever you might need. I am here for you. My word, please understand me. Please, you need to cheer up. Please, beg me.
Nedu officially moved in with us as my husband. And to me, it was heaven on earth. He was so good in bed that we make love almost on a daily basis.
Baby, I love you. Thank you so much. This is exactly the beautiful treats I missed. All these years I remained single.
Every woman needs a man.
Yeah.
At some point.
You're right, baby. I'm really glad I found you.
It seems she doesn't like me.
Oh, Nanya?
Yes.
Baby, come on. I'm surprised you're saying this. Nanya is a young little girl. All you need to do is to try as much as possible to win her over.
How do I do that?
Are you the one asking this question? You know exactly the way you won the mother's heart. Try as much as possible to also win the daughter's heart like that.
At this point, my joy knew no bound as she has accepted Nedu as her stepdad. He started to spoil her with expensive gifts and taking her out for lunch. To me, everything is now falling in place.
Wow.
Is it fine?
Yes, of course. You're lovely. Let's go.
Now I feel like the world belongs to me. My hubby and I were happy. Nenya was happy too. But our happiness was just a harbinger for unseen horror hovering around us.
Hey, baby.
What's up, love?
Quite busy.
Are you writing? Typing?
I'm trying to fix something.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, no, come on, baby. I'm very busy. I need to do this. It's very important. very important. Please give me some time.
It's alright.
Alright, babe.
No problem. Gradually, Nonye began to isolate herself, and I noticed that she was always writing with a particular jotter, but I never read any meaning into it because she was a student. And then she became careless with gadgets, especially smartphones.
It seems you are the only one she listens to. You better go and talk to her before I lose my cool.
Take it easy. What is the problem?
How can Nenye lose 2 smartphones in the space of 3 months? Does she think I pluck money from trees? Anyways, she's not getting any new phone from me in the next full month. She won't get any phone from me. What nonsense.
It's alright, just try and calm down, okay? I will talk to her.
You better do. You better do!
Despite Nenye's slight change in attitude, life continued. To us, life was like a bed of roses.
Wow.
Oh, baby.
Mm-hmm. What an amazing fall. Are you ready for the 5th?
Oh, baby, come on. I want to say something.
What is it?
I shall be traveling in 2 days.
Really?
Yes. It's an emergency from the headquarters. At least I should be out for a week.
Wow, I'm really gonna miss you.
Baby, of course you know I'll miss you more.
In that case, I have a whole lot of work to do this night. Yeah. So you have enough that will sustain you till you come back. Like, we're gonna ride more than the 5th.
Of course, baby. Sure. But meanwhile... Oh.
Señorita, dime mi amor fuerte. I've been waiting. Nobody has to know, say me and you are fucked. Nobody has to know, say you are the vida. Nobody has to know, say you come over me, yeah. Baby, take off the dress. Have to know, say me and you are fucked. Say you are the vida. Nobody has to know, say
A week later, I came back from my journey. It was an awesome feeling to be back home. I really missed my family. It felt like I was gone for ages.
Baby, relax! What's up with you? Listen, wait. I wouldn't want my baby to catch us in making love again. No. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs!
My hubby and I couldn't wait to have bedroom activity. I was so engrossed in the feeling that I couldn't notice my daughter's absence at first. The gate man has gone out to treat a minor injury while we were inside making love. Unknown to me that my daughter was outside the gate battling for her life. Before, I could be disturbed in my spirit if Nene was not feeling fine. But it didn't happen this time because I was engrossed in the sexual pleasure with my hubby while she groaned in pain.
Oh, baby. This is the craziest number 4 we've ever had. I feel very satisfied. We must complete to the 5th.
Of course, I know. We gotta do it our usual way.
Obviously. Sure, baby. Okay.
Nenya managed to put a call across to me, but I left my phone in the living room. called severally, but the calls rang out, and then she gave up the ghost. Our gate man came back and found her lying lifeless outside the gate.
I think I heard a knock on the gate.
I didn't.
Where's the gate man? Is he not around?
He has gone to treat his injury. But whoever it is must have to wait, because I'm not your dog, babe. I miss you so much, honey. Hold me. Hold me. Whisper into my ear. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
He took her inside and started to bang on the door. But my husband and I were lost in our sexual pleasure. The music was blaring and we couldn't hear anything.
Madam! Madam! Madam!
My stud, you never disappoint.
What am I? I'm your husband. If I don't satisfy you, who will?
You have given me everything I missed while I was away.
Don't even go there. Don't sound like you're the only one that mixed us. I really mix you. I longed for you.
I'm so very glad I accepted to marry you.
What else can a man ask for? If not for a beautiful wife like you. I feel blessed.
Ouch, baby.
I am blessed, my baby.
I love you.
I love you so much.
That reminds me. Where did Chineye tell you she was going to?
Not like so. I don't know. Maybe she went to her friend's house or something.
Friend's house?
Yeah.
You mean she left the house without telling you where she was going to? She shouldn't have. I mean, knowing fully well that I'm returning today, yet she left? That's unbelievable. Anyway, let me get to the sitting room and get my stuffs. And also, I got your things and my baby as well.
Are you for real?
Yeah, baby.
And I'm waiting.
Alright, honey.
One day, leave me, Ami. Okay, one night, man will die together. Say, one day, leave me. You won't die, leave me. Okay, I'm gonna die with you. I'm gonna die with you. I'm gonna die with you.
Oh, my baby has been calling. Okay, let's go like that. It was when I came downstairs to pick my luggages that I overheard our gate man crying. I went outside and behold, it was my Nenye lying lifeless. For me, it was like the world had come to an end. I cried on top of my voice, but my beautiful daughter is gone. No! Daddy! No! What happened to my daddy?
I saw her like this, I saw her like this.
God, me, what happened to my daddy?
I saw her like this.
No! My daddy! My daddy! My daddy! Wake my daddy! Wake my daddy! Wake my daddy! No! Wake my daddy! Wake my daddy! Wake my daddy! Help me! Oh my God! Oh! No!
Gordy.
Madam.
Do you really think this is the right thing to do?
Madam, I no fit stay again. I been don't try make her for sister, but I no fit stay. I won't go.
You won't go. Gordy. Did you have any problem with my husband?
No, I don't get any problem.
So why? Why the sudden change of mind?
I'm not Chineke dead. Chineke will be only my friend who I get for this house. And if I remember say Chineke no dey this house, they pay me too much. They pay me.
Gordy, I know. That is the main reason you should be here with us. That is the main reason you shouldn't leave this house. Do you want to leave us? At this critical condition of ours, you want to leave? Gordy, why? Gordy.
Madam, sorry. Madam, I won't go, I beg. I won't go. I no fit stay.
She gave the gate man a written note for me. Though there was not much on the note, but I read it with tears. She stated in that note that I should go to her room,
that there is a diary I will see in a particular dress. She instructed me to go through the diary alone. Without delay, I hurried inside, but shortly my hubby came back and I had to wait. After comforting me, he left, and I now had time to go for the diary.
Gordy! Gordy! What is this stupid fool? Baby! Don't tell me you're still in this mood.
Worry less. I'll be fine.
Professor, I noticed the gate was open. Did you send Gordy on an errand?
No. Gordy left.
He left? Why?
He said he couldn't bear Chinenye's demise. My baby.
Do you understand? Okay? I understand vividly. You know they were close, yeah? They were very close.
Yes.
Stay off it. Okay. I actually stopped by to know how you're doing. I'm dashing out for a friend's bachelor's eve. I don't know if you want to go. Maybe we'll go together.
No. I'm fine. Be good. I'm fine.
It's alright. Won't you at least send me off to the car?
See you off. Alright. Let's go.
Stop crying. Okay?
I got to her bag and brought out the red dress, inside which the diary was. I opened it and I was shocked to my bone marrow to find out that the man I called my husband was a beast. While I was away, even before I traveled, he sexually abused Nenye. He raped her without remorse.
Daddy, you scared me.
I needed us to talk about something. Did you tell your mother about what happened to your daddy? I mean the case. The case. Good. You know what, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I don't know what happened. I don't know what came over me that day. Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
What are you trying to do?
You know, you don't ever be scared of me. You know I love your mother, right? I can't do anything without her. She is the source of my survival for now. love you. I love you, Shinonye. I love you as a father would love his own daughter. I want to protect you from evil. Let this be our little dirty secret. I will get you everything you want. Ice cream, eye pencils. I will take you to the movies. I will also help you your arithmetics. But please, don't tell her. You know why? This glass has got his own jack edges. If it touches someone's throat, it could slit the throat and cause death from bleeding. We are the one there for you. Now, get up. Get up and freshen up.
After having his way, he threatened to kill her if she tells me. As a result of that, Nenye decided to hide her pain inside a diary. If only I had listened to Nenye when she kicked against me getting married to him, this wouldn't have happened.
Someone's father to kiss her in the mouth?
Sorry for everything.
What is it?
I'm ready for school, so I came to collect the money.
The money is under that pillow, so go take it.
Don't worry, I'll be in the parlor. So when you're done bathing.
My friend, I just said go and take the money. I'm going to the bedroom to take my bath. What's that?
The beast I called my husband continued to abuse my daughter sexually in my absence.
There's no...
When will you learn not to struggle? When? Tell me.
See, if you come close to me, I will shout. I will shout. I will shout. No, stay there. I will shout.
Funny enough, I sent Gotti to a far place to get me something. So he's not coming back anytime soon. All you have to do is to calm down. Let's enjoy ourselves. I just said, calm down. Let's enjoy ourselves.
At this point, I now realized that I failed Nene as a mother. She stated it clearly in the diary that she lost faith in me.
Because I needed somebody that has China account. If you know you don't have it, I would have given it to somebody else. The people involved in this stuff now, they are disturbing me. Please, 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 I beg you, I beg you. I beg you, I beg you, brother. Can I call you back? Let me call you back in a few. You're not going for lectures today?
My mom is not around. So I've got to make it easy for you.
At a point, Nene got used to the abuse that she would approach him to do same to her, to handle her like he wants to.
Morning sickness, vomiting, sometimes small fever. As he dey go, the person they increase, they enlarge, they sleep anyhow. See, that time when my wife get belle, you know easy at all. But na so she dey vomit everywhere, they vomit. What come, Nene? Why they ask me all these questions now? Nene?
Have you forgotten that I'm preparing for my exams?
Oh, exams. So then they ask for all these kind of things for exams, eh? Oh, wow. Now don't they go?
My daughter got pregnant. But the beast in my home prevailed on her to go for an abortion.
Are you ready?
I'm very scared.
You don't need to be scared. Everything will be fine. Alright? Let's go.
She went for the abortion and lost her life. As I read through the diary, I felt like committing suicide. I was confused, traumatized, and dejected.
Oh, my baby.
And I vowed that my daughter would not die in vain.
It has been the roughest moment of my life, but I'm willing to let it go. After all, I still have you with me, and that is all that matters right now.
Baby.
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine? I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I know I failed you. I was supposed to take care of her. You left her in my care. I couldn't do it. Shh.
Don't mention it. It's all in the past now. Let's allow it to remain in the past.
Thank you so much for understanding.
I want you to have sex with me like never before. Here in this room.
Why? Why here?
Because I want to be free. I want to be free to have sex with you anytime, anywhere I want in this house, without being cautious of my daughter's presence. That's what I want.
Sweetie,
Relax. I'll do it.
You bastard!
Finally, I sent him to where he sent my daughter. That was how I lost my precious daughter Nenye.
What was her crime? What was her crime? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, my baby. I failed you. The deed has been done.
What happened to her? Made me see all men as beasts. I hated all of them. And that is why I was scared. I never wanted anyone around you. I feared the same thing might happen to you. But I went about it the wrong way. Sandra, my daughter, I pray that the same thing that happened to me will never happen to you. But there's something I want to let you know. In a matter that concerns the heart, it's like going to a gamble shop. It's like playing a bet. You either lose nor win. I am so sorry, my daughter. I have been a terrible mother to you. I am going out.
do not expect me anytime soon.
Where are you going, Mom? Talk to me. Where are you going?
What? I am going to hand myself over to the police.
No.
I must have to pay for all I have done.
No, Mom. Mom, please. Please, don't do this, okay?
Please, justice must take its course. Take care of yourself, my daughter.
Mom, please, wait. Please don't do this. Please don't do this, please. Whatever you've done, it should be between us. Please. Whatever it is should remain between us. I beg you. Please don't leave me like this. Please don't beg you. Please don't do it. Whatever you've done,